My name is Michael Beaumont, and I'm a lab specialist in the Interactive Audio Lab. The reason Core 4 is important, or Core Forward as we would like to call it, in our lab, in the Interactive Audio Lab, it sometimes comes as a surprise to students that they actually need to use mathematics. We often deal with timeline measurements with in-points, out-points, and durations, and those are hours, minutes, and seconds, and for our implementation purposes they need to be converted to milliseconds. And we also deal with things like audio decay of high and low frequencies over distances. We identify the differences between frequencies and whether that is expressed as a number with a sign or an absolute value. We manipulate sound effects and dialogue by changing the percentages of sound files' length, pitch, amount of wet and dry processing. And when we implement sounds into an interactive environment, we often scale data from one range of numbers to another. And that range may be documented as a fraction, but it needs to be implemented as a decimal value. And then there's sample rate, there's bit depth, file size, and all these formats are subject to conversion, and that's math.